Hello students, welcome to the 8th session of methods and tools used in cyber crimes. So in this session we will discuss what are the difference between viruses and worms. Computer virus has the ability to copy itself and infect the system. The term virus is also commonly used to refer to the other type of malware, adware and spyware programs that do not have reproductive ability. The term malware means software that is specifically designed to disrupt, damage or gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Whereas the term adware means software that automatically displays or downloads advertising material such as banners or pop-up when a user is online. And the term spyware means software with malicious behavior that aims to gather information about a person or organization and send such information to another entity in a way that harms the user. So now we will see difference between viruses and worms. So there are different types of viruses and different types of worms. So the viruses are stealth virus, self-modified virus, encryption with variable key virus, polymorphic code virus, metaformic code virus. So here stealth virus is a type of virus that hides itself by continuing renaming and moving itself around the disk. So the next one is self-modified virus. This virus is a virus that modifies its own instruction during execution time. Next one, encryption with variable key virus. So this virus basically locks the data with password. Next one, polymorphic code virus. So these are complex file infector that can create modified version of itself. So basically the virus infects in system can be updated to latest version automatically. Next one, metaformic code virus. This is a virus that transforms based on the ability to translate, edit and rewrite its own code. It is considered as the most infected computer virus and it can do serious damage to a system if it's not detected quickly. So in worms there are different types, that is email worms, instant messaging worms, internet worms, IRC worms, file sharing network worms. So these are basically infected on network. So the second difference is spreading mode. So basically to spread the virus we need a particular program to spread the virus, whereas worms spreads automatically, which is on network, means not a particular program is required, it is automatically infected on network. So the third difference, what is virus and what is worm. So basically here definition is given. A computer virus is a software program that can copy itself and infect the data or information without the user's knowledge. However, to spread to another computer, it needs a host program that carries the virus. And on the other hand, worms, a computer worm is a software program, self-replicating nature, which spreads through a network. It can send copies through network with or without users' knowledge. Fourth difference is inception. It is basically establishment or starting point of virus. And worms. The creeper virus was considered as the first known virus. It was spread through ARPANET in the early 1970s. It spreads through the 10x operating system and uses connected modem to dial out to a remote computer and infect it. On the other hand, the name worm originated from the Shockwave Rider, a science fiction novel published in 1975 by John Byrne. Later researchers John and Hoop at Xerox PARC published a paper in 1982. The worm programs, and after that the name was adopted. The fifth one is prevalence, that is spreading of viruses and worms. Over 1 lakh known computer viruses have been there, though not all have attacked computers. On the other hand, the prevalence for virus is very high as against the moderate prevalence for a worm. So basically, viruses spreads more faster than worms. So that's it for today's session. In next session, we will discuss different types of worms.